Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today my lesson is somewhat different. I made my previous videos about grammar, but today I am going to talk about the heart of the language. It is the verbs. There are two parts of verbs. First one is regular verbs and second one is irregular verbs. Today my lesson is irregular verbs and I am going to talk about 60 irregular verbs. There are three parts of the verbs. First one is the base form. It is called the infinitive, and the second one is past tense, and the third one is past participle. First one, the infinitive is beat, past tense also is beat, past participle is beaten. Number two, become, past tense is became, past participle is become. Number three, the infinitive is begin, past tense is began, past participle is begun. Number four, the infinitive is bite, past tense is bit, and past participle is bitten. Number five, the infinitive is bring, past tense is brought, and past participle also is brought. Number six, build, past tense is built, and past participle also is built. Number seven, the infinitive is catch, past tense is caught, and past participle is caught. Number eight, come, came, and come. Number nine, three forms are same. The infinitive is cost, past tense is cost, and past participle also is cost. Number 10, the infinitive is cut, past tense is cut, and past participle also is cut. 11, the infinitive is do, past tense is did, and past participle is done. 12, drink, drank, and drunk. 13, drive, drove, and driven. 14, eat, ate, and eaten. 15, fall, fell, and fallen. Number 16, the infinitive is feel, past tense is felt, and past participle also felt. Number 17, fight, fought, and fought. 18, find, found, and found. Number 19, fly, flew, and flown. 20, forget, forgot, and forgotten. 21, the infinitive is get, past tense is got, and past participle is also got. 22, give, gave, and given. 23, go, went, and go. 24, hang, hung, and hung. 25, have, had, and had. 26, the infinitive is hear, past tense is heard, and past participle is also heard. Number 27, hide, hid, and hidden. 28, the three forms are same. The infinitive is hit, past tense is hit, and past participle is hit. 29, hold, held, and held. 30, hurt, hurt, and hurt. 31, the infinitive is leave, past tense is left, and past participle is also left. 32, lend, lent, and lent. 33, let, and let. 34, light, lit, and lit. 35, lose, lost, and lost. 36, the infinitive is make, past tense is made, and past participle is made. 37, mean, meant, and meant. 38, meet, met, and met. 39, pay, paid, and paid. 40, the three forms are same. The infinitive is put, past tense is put, and past participle also is put. 41, the infinitive is read, past tense is read, past participle is also read. 42, ride, rode, and ridden. 43, ring, rang, rung. 44, rise, rose, and risen. 46. The infinitive is say. Past tense is said. Past participle is said. 47. See, saw and seen. 48. Sell, sold and sold. 49. Send, sent and sent. 50. The three forms are same. The infinitive is shut. Past tense is shut. Past participle also is shut. 51. The infinitive is sit. Past tense is sat. Past participle also is sat. 52. Sleep, slept and slept. 53. Speak, spoke and spoken. 54. Spend, spent and spent. 55. Steal, stole and stolen. Number 56. The infinitive is take. Past tense is took. Past participle is taken. 57. Teach, taught and taught. 58. Tell, told and told. 59. Think, thought and thought. 60. Win, won and won. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel.